How to hide Instagram reel from someone. Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how you can hide Instagram reel from someone. So if you want to hide your Instagram reels or any of the update on your Instagram from some particular person or contact or user, then you have to follow these steps. First of all, go ahead and log in into your Instagram account, and that's going to directly take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now while you're on this page, tap the profile icon and tap on the three dot icon, and after that you need to go to settings and privacy. While you're on settings and privacy, scroll down a bit and go to restricted. After that you need to enable this, so click the continue button, and here you need to go ahead and select the particular user from which you actually want to go ahead and restrict. So go ahead and type in the information or the username of the particular user. So I'm going to go with this one. Click on the restrict button in order to restrict them, and here you can see the user has been restricted, and now from further onward he or she will not be notified about any sort of reels or update that you actually post on the Instagram, and likewise will also not be able to see their post or content whatsoever. So that's basically how you can hide Instagram reel from someone else. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.